Good afternoon from London, welcome to the US Morning Call. In terms of FX markets so far, we've seen fast money moves in euro dollar. It did earlier spike around 50 pips or so following German government spokesman comments that the cabinet has approved a draft law on expanding the EFSF. It is worth noting that the draft law did say that the EFSF will be able to recapitalise banks via governments, negating an earlier report that the EFSF will be able to lend to banks directly. In terms of the reaction of the euro dollar, it did spike around 50 pips. However, the fast money moves has meant that it has nearly retraced all of its earlier gains, now trading unchanged on the level heading into the key North American Open. In terms of cable, it does remain weak, down around minor negative territory or so, around 20 pips or so, following that weaker than expected UK consumer confidence data overnight, which was the lowest in 4 months, putting pressure on the central bank to consider further QE going forward. Now, in terms of the Swiss, it does remain strong across the board today. In terms of Euro Swiss, trading down around 180 pips so far, following earlier comments on Monday that the Swiss government was discussing the Swiss franc. We've heard no comments today regarding the strength of the Swiss franc in terms of the government curbing its strength. As a result, we have seen it being strong across the board. Moving forward then, in terms of the rest of the calendar, in terms of risk event for the dollar, markets will look ahead to that key ADP employment change later on today. We've got the Chicago PMI and the durable goods revision data later on as well. I'll bring another update later on in the session for you. Have a great trading day and enjoy your afternoon.